kuchestera kuti ukange.
Tapiwa. Tapiwa.
Tuto akukanduza kuti uri mupostori.
Tapiwa.
Mupostori ari kupedzesa.
Rasta vamamboisa mandikinenyi mumboleya kamati.
Rasta ivamoya.
Uya continuation.
Pane nyaya dzawandisa panapa.
All right.
Pane nyaya dzawandisa Rasta man.
Big up all the youths. Nekuti murambe mutenderere mberi music as far as reggae music, all African music without maybe no selection of one party. Reggae music is the foundation because sumudzira maghetto youths, inoita kuti maghetto youths tikwanise kuona life. Inoita kuti fight for our rights, so we still have to keep on. And inoita kuti tibatane futhi is together as ghetto youths and as black people and international. And big up yourself and they say all people coming from all around the world. To promote Rastafari, because remember Selassie, right? Remember Selassie, he's the king of kings and lords of lords, conquer the lion tribe of Judah. He's the one who seated and who ruled the whole world and the whole universe. So every knee shall bow. So we have to give thanks and praise to the Most High for guidance and protection and ask him for his hands to be upon us so that Jesus said progress and big up the ghetto and big up all the ghetto and move forward. Big up Minox, big up Jet B, big up all the selectors and a big up Rastaman and all sound Stereo One and all the sound and sound. But you can buy more love.
Mr. Keffatan.
Alright.
Mnema album mangani?
Yes, so album tinetuma album.
Netuma album.
But ndine amwe andaita nevamwe ndichifishwa amwe songs tracks and afishwa nevamwe different artists.
Okay, apa hii ndo first album yenye muri mega.
Yeah, it's a compilation album after, but imwe yacho yandakaita it's a 8-track, yes, and bigger, yes. But ndindaka composer, ndindaka arranger the music. Ita most of everything, played some instruments, some of most of the instruments. Although we've been working on a Trevor Wall, like on this project, Trevor Wall, he played the drums. Lawrence, 3 Wise Men, akaita keyboard. Jack Hughes, akaita guitar, and Tendai Tekia, akaita bass. Percussion, Trevor Wall. We still, because I remember I played most of my instruments, but also I'm working with different artists, which makes us carry on to fulfill my projects. And we're still working on more unity projects.
Mr. Keffatan. Pane ma shows mrumbede man green. My live shows.
My live show to Twitter na Trevor Wall Crucial Mix, and also we can bend dakaseta rinonzi a mystic meditation. There's a mystic band here in the ghetto, but it's a mystic meditation working in history. That's where we're doing some results.
Pasika mwe mrasta anonzi Quincy bana. Mr. Quincy. Quincy. Tunakuona kuno.
This is it. We're still working on more projects for peace and initiatives.
Okay. But murumbo buda out of Harare. Right now,
even though the situation is like this in Zim, at now Kuda, but out of Harare, but not out of Zimbabwe. Out of Harare, like we've been shooting some shows and we've been playing shows. Rusape, Mutarude, Kadoma, Bulawayo, and Gweja, and most of the places we just playing shows, even in the city. So we're doing more that we would like to do more. So those Zimbabwe situation is a little bit tight, but we don't worry about the tightness because this will always stand predominant. This tiri matonza Harare. This she donza Harare yacho. But she Harare kunetsa because inotonnetsa because kana usiri donza you can't live in Harare because things they kind of hectic, no fun. But saka unofana kuitira matonza saka isusu vamwe vakatiza vakaenda vakabuda but isusu we still standing predominant, defending the country. Yeah.
Muna stadiums and clubs.
Yeah, stadiums, clubs, and all over where we can perform. Still, where every kind of mumba, there's in the dance hall. But what we want is just to entertain and.
Sorry, my recording is Mugita Mega.
My recording, yeah, to put the Metro Studio. Metro Studio. Yes, so. To put the Metro Studio. Yes, so to sign a contract 5 years. Saka ndikufunga nini kuti 5 years contract working with them, is it real possible? But ndibona kuti I really have to think about it and because it's a big world. Saka paying up for the studio and everything, paying the artists, session artists and setting up the bands. Yeah.
Yes, I Metro Studios, ndino vetanga kutengesera manhamba.
Ndizwa kuti yo wada kuti ndo vanotengesa market national international, but I don't really know, is it really true? You know, is it really true for me kuti ndite say say mavari is so or I have to find my way.
But so far ndo vakakurekodera album yako iyi.
Yeah, ndinorecorda because it's professional studio. I'm working the professional studio. It's not digital. It's manual, professional. Yeah. One of the best in Zimbabwe.
Metro Studio.
Yes, sir. Metro in Masasa there.
Okay. Metro Studio.
There's a big man there. But I know there's one uncle of mine. His name is Keffatan. Is the engineer. Huh? I have been working with big bands, and he's also an artist. So I've been working with him for a long time. But I'm just trying to find my way.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. Rasta.
Quincy.
Big up our ghetto, you sir, Rasta man. Yes, sir. I get to Mbare there, because we love Mbare and we always be proud with it, and we have to uplift it to the highest level because everything comes from Nyado, from Mbare. Go to the Zimdancehall, go to the my artists all over Zim, my footballers, Badman, and all them. They say Wakatagira Mbare, so we respect Mbare to the max. So we always defend it, you know. Yes, I. Rasta man.
Tapiwa matiko nenyaya ya Tudu. Hanzi na Tudu wakamuti ampostori. Wakati Tudu ampostori, Tudu vazo yakuno. Batanga utitengera bia. Ajiti tapiwa nyeba.
Yakandita ampostori.
Kozonga chitaura wachiti Tudu ndo wakatanga umisa tatange kuita smoke.
Slackness.
Akuti nini ndikumbira mabhebha ake ndini ndakamchestera lead.
Not passing out, they passing out.
That's no kanga lead. That's no kanga lead.
What the angles here?
Ndakamchestera lead. Ndani akatisi pass number ndakanga lead.
Alright. Ah, iri bota piwa. Iri bota piwa. Asangari vijaziri kana ngati.
Vanopisa munhu.
Ayo, abaoda ngokubata kuti mawenzi.